So, I'm back at the cheapest 6-car garage home in the United States. How much was it exactly? Saving that for the end of the video. Let's do a tour. It includes this house, 800 square feet, 1 bedroom. This is the ultimate bachelor pad for a struggling car guy. It includes these 2 vacant parcels, future dog park. This sticker's so faded. 2020 was that long ago already. All right, so we've got the foyer, the lovely collection of dusty bottles, and here we have the kitchen. Yeah, as you can see, not a ton of natural light. It's an overcast day, noon. It's freaking dark in here. Should be mentioned that this was an as-is property. All items stay. So we've got this gentleman's stuff here. The previous owner, he died in the house, and he worked and lived here as a mechanic for 35 years. These colors don't run. Never have. Never will. Does Remy want to go outside? All right. I guess it's tether time for the hound. Okay, we'll do a little interruption here. Yeah. Come on, Remy hound. Come here. Remy, come here. There you go. Have a ball, Remy. Have a blast. I'm gonna throw your leash there. Oh, she really had to go. Anyway, I think Remy will be okay on that tether. Briefly, while we continue our tour. He was into drag cars, quaint wallpaper with what I call redneck wainscoting. Shelves upon shelves upon shelves for all your knickknacks. And here's the living room. This was his furniture. I don't know. I guess he never felt the need to upgrade his furniture game. Love these built-in bookcases. These are sticking around. A lot of books here. Look at this. Al Jolson, the original blackface musician. These are like 78s from 78 RPM records from who knows how long ago. 40s, 30s. Wouldn't that be something if there was some like really valuable first edition in that pile? We've got a nice little VHS collection here. Roll top desk, that's staying. An RCA CRT TV. Yeah, I don't know about this. Wow, look at that. Cassette gold. Steve Winwood, Men at Work. Aerosmith. Kind of a big deal. Fleetwood Mac, Soundgarden. Even more cassettes. Unbelievable. Is that what I think it is? Christmas Interpretations, Boys to Men. We got cassette gold here. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, we got 8-track gold. So, yeah, so we got a wood-burning fireplace, and we've got this covered porch. You can see we've got a nice kind of collection of mugs, posters, freaking fax machine, lamps with the plastic still on it. I mean, how granny is that? Got piles of old magazines. We've got National Geographics out the wazoo. September 1972, November 69, 65, 60. Wow. They're like all... Holy crap, dude. Dudes, these National Geographics go back to... You've got to be kidding me. 1930? 1936. 1933 and 1924. Okay. Well then. Oh, we got Terry Labonte, Jeff Gordon. Oh, that's Dale Jarrett, 88. Now we're in the bedroom. Yikes. Well, so I got two CRT TVs here. More knick-knack shelves. Nice, like, crazy old dresser. And, yeah. And this is where he died, right there. These knick-knacks and stuff. Like, I don't know. Nobody needs this stuff. I'm sorry, dude. I gotta throw all this in the dumpster. Yeah. Well, bathroom needs some work. He's got a chair in the bathroom. And this is like the only closet. Okay. So, see, this gonna work. Look at this. Oh my God! Cassette gold! Unopened new Maxell XL2S. These are some good cassettes. Wow. PD Magnetics metal cassettes. Sony UX. Wow, super value. 79 pence. What the hell is going on here? It's from the UK. TDK SA100s. Can't believe all this stuff is mine. All this stuff is mine to throw away. Dude's got his oven down here. There we go, Remy. So for appliances, we have an older Kenmore fridge. We have a Frigidaire gallery dishwasher. It's pretty crusty. Light switch, Remy. How am I supposed to use this? Oh, there's the light switch. You just twist. All right, you want to go in the garage? Okay. So, well, here's the one garage. There's a bit of a roof leak here. We've got all kinds of manuals. Porsche 944 workshop manuals. Look at that. Look at this, like these like showroom windows. I think these are like 60 by 80 or something ridiculous. And I already did some reframing at the bottom there. Orange Punch Warfare. Oh, look, I wrote Remy's name in the filth on this door. This definitely needs to be pressure washed. Alright, it's dark as hell in here, so let's flip on the lights. Boom! So I actually had this identical Sony little mini boombox when I was a kid. Yeah, so this is like the lower garage. There's basically kind of 3 connected garages. And yeah, as you can see, built-in steel cabinets, steel countertop. We've got like a parts washer sink. There's the sink there anyway. Yeah, we've got a huge pegboard wall with like different discs and stuff. So this is my toolbox. I already brought it here. This is basically my stuff scattered on the floor. Those are my tires and wheels. But yeah, most of this is like his stuff. Like, look at this thing. Hello. So yeah, we're just gonna have to like go bananas here and start throwing stuff out today because we've got that huge dumpster Anyway, yeah, we've got attic storage. I have no idea what the hell is up here. I just saw a bunch of random parts. This is my saw I bought. Hey, Remy. Hey, Remy Hound. You having fun yet? We've got another old CRT TV, transmission, a bunch of windows, more freaking engine blocks and stuff everywhere. And we've got the guy's clothes. Got some dope polo. Look at this, we've got, not to dox myself, but here's the address. We've got repair order pads. And then we have this sliding door. Oh. Maybe it's a little sticky, but we made it work. There. There, get some fresh air going, right, Remy? Yeah. See, all this is rot from like ants. I'm working on that. This is original 1947 garage door. It's got some junk under here. Freaking corrosive vat. Old Hoosier drag radials. Somebody's parking on my land. Yeah, there's a lot of just like scrap metal. Needs to go. All this stuff needs to go. I mean, this old fence gots to go. So we're going to demolish this fence and build a new one. We're going to reframe most of this, build it all new. We're going to go up on the roof and check it out. Look at that bench. We got bench grinders. Yeah. All these steel beams, like unreal. Unreal. Look at that. Well, there's like $75 worth of battery cores here. Maybe even
sagging leg, and we got like 1,200 pounds of stuff.
Alright, MTV, you've seen the moldy blue carpet, you've seen the bathroom from hell, you've seen the 70 years of National Geographic magazines, but now it's time for us to peace out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications. There's lots of good stuff to come here at what I call the Sigma Workshop.